Hello people, I'm back, the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do is it's basically a how to make a nice tasty omelette with stuff, you know, obviously, you know, you've got in your fridge. I've got some chopped boiled ham, which we had the other day, some little button mushrooms, some pepper, chorizo, some chopped onion, some mature cheddar cheese, half a dozen eggs, and that's all there is to it. So what I'm going to do is to get the I'm going to beat up the eggs first. And mix these up so they're nice and fluffy. Get some chives. A little bit of garlic granules. Bit of pepper. Salt. Have a little mix up. Put that aside, be back in a minute. Right, we get our pan on. A few squirts of oil, olive oil. Let that warm up a bit. Right, what we're going to do, let's start with the hardest one first, some peppers. And our onions. Let them cook down and be back in a minute. Right, these start to cook down now. I'm just going to stick a couple of these in the oven. They're mushroom and spinach crisp bakes. They're lovely. So we're going to pop them in. Right, so now we're going to add the mushrooms, little button mushrooms. We're going to add the chopped ham. And chorizo. Bear in mind the ham's already cooked anyway, mushrooms don't take long, so all we really want is the chorizo to release its oils and coat all the other mushrooms and everything. It's going to be awesome. Be back in a minute. Right, so these are done. Released all the oils. Just turn that down a bit. What we're going to do is don't add the egg to the pan. You add the pan ingredients to the egg. Do this a bit quick. We add that back to the pan. I'll bring you in for a closer look. Well, now we've got that in the pan. What we're going to do is just go around the edge. Just gradually bring it in. All the way around. Let that cook for a bit. bring you back in a minute. Right, we're going to add our cheddar. And we'll just keep an eye on it, and we'll fold the edges in again, and then you know when it's ready to fold in half. Right, so we'll just go around again, just to see how it feels. Right, it's not ready yet. We'll be back in a minute. Right, we're back. It seems to be going alright. So we'll get hold of it. Fold that over. And just let that cook through. And it's going to be tasty. By the way, this is for 2 people. Be back in a minute. Right, this is looking great. I'm just going to cut this into 2. And it's more manageable. See you in a minute. Awesome. Right, we'll just flop these over. Oh, lovely. Superb. We'll see you in a minute, and we'll have a little plate up. Oh my god, this is absolutely lovely. So it's just a simple one. Bit of cooked ham that was left over, bit of chorizo that was in the fridge, some onions and some eggs, and a little spinach and potato crisp bake. Just makes a nice little meal. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you later. Cheers, bye bye.